from Western Hotel in Palawan, Puerto Princesa. I'm going to check in. It is 4-star hotel near to airport, and so far what I saw, it's looked really nice. Let's go and explore.
Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
This is the outside area. They have a free shuttle, airport shuttle, but I recommend you to text them your flight number so they will come and pick up you. Or you can get a taxi for approximately 200 pesos. It is like a 5 minutes drive or so. Let's go inside. This is the lobby. Wow. Oh, they have lots of rewards. And really good review actually. It is reason why I choose this hotel. I'm staying here for 4 nights.
Thank you very much for your help. Yes. See you tomorrow.
Nice. Actually, decoration is really nice in this hotel. I love it. And what I realized actually after I book it, they have a program so you can become a member and you can get some discount. This is really nice boutique store, but it's closed. What we have here? Oh, it's a restaurant. We should have a breakfast, so I guess it's going to be here. And yeah, there is a way to the room. It's fine. I think it's our welcome drink, so I'm going back to reception. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am in our room 434. Starting here, we have a wardrobe, safe, free, and they can do your laundry. It's our bag. Let's check the prices. I think you can find it cheaper on the street, but it's fine. What we have here, we have bathrobes, plenty of space actually, water, fridge empty, it's normal, a TV, wow, is it smart TV? Oh, I am not sure. Anyway, nice working space, a mirror, and we have actually twin bed here because this was only option available, but they also have like a king size bed. I think we can move the table and push it together, but all is clean, really nice. And our view, there's some garden over there, which is fine, but the big plus, we can open a window. I already opened that. Yeah, there is some mold, but it's from outside, so it's absolutely all right. Because here in Asia, like lots of windows, you can open them. I wanted to show you this. It's a spa service. It's open from 9 till 10. and you have a price range here. It's kind of alright, nothing like really expensive. It's definitely cheaper than most of the countries in Europe, but I think you can find it cheaper if you go outside. And it's up to you. If you want to use it, they can do it here for you. Another mirror, and let's go to the bathroom. I actually wasn't here, so I don't know what I should expect, but yes, some amenities, all clean, perfect. A toilet. Can I have more lights? Yeah, wow, it's much better. It's nice. Wow. I really love this because you can just wash your feet if you come from the beach. Amazing. Nice. I'm like surprised. It's really nice because usually when you book hotels near to airport, it's not that good. But yeah, this is proper nice hotel. Good. I'm by the pool. At hello. Oh, there is a bar as well. That's nice. It's smaller, but I'm going for a swim. Oh, you can play darts. And here is toilet. I don't know where is a gym, but I will find out later. There is some maintenance. Nice. I'm going to get a towel and swim. This is... Oh, that's actually really small. But yeah, you have some stuff here, so you can do some exercise if you want. And you have a pool view. There is also a spa. You can book some massage or something. Nice, good. I am leaving Best Westin Hotel, and we had actually really good stay here. I would say small minus is the pool. It's really small and there is no enough sunbeds. It's like just 4 sunbeds, I think, but it's up to your preferences. Some people, they don't like swimming pools or they do like holidays activities. So yeah, anyway, we were out almost all the time, so we just swim there after like when we arrived. Breakfast was fine. I would maybe prefer to have bigger selection, but you can find something to eat, and everything else was pretty good. We had spa treatment, we had a massage, which was amazing and not really expensive. Everything perfect, yeah. If you want to stay here, you can. Let me know how you like this video, how you like this hotel, and if you stay here before, I would really like to hear your opinion. But that's it for today. Stay tuned, take care, and see you later. Bye bye.